First, we need to assemble bucket dredger. Let's drag the part. You're doing really great. First, we have to fill it. Bucket dredger. Don't stop. Let's prepare the rock. Tap on the screen for the ship to continue the action. It's time to head for the port. There's an island on our way. Let's turn the wheel to the right to get past the obstacle. There are rocks directly ahead. Turn the wheel to the right to sail past. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. First, we need to assemble crane ship. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Crane ship. Pump. That's all. Let's build the lighthouse base. Time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. An island. There is a coral reef ahead. Right rudder. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Pull the lever down. The sound of laughter. Great! We got past all the obstacles. We need to assemble mast crane. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Mast crane. Pump. Ready. Let's place the walls. Watch. Mast crane. Move the foamer along the ship to foam it. Move the washer along the ship to clean up the rest of the foam. Done! To assemble container ship. Filling. Container ship. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Let's drag a member of the crew into the room of the right color. Hooray! Let's put the top part on. We have to assemble red barge. Load the materials into red barge. Let's drag the hook to the freight car to load materials into the ship. Let's drag the hook to the freight car. We did it! Let's add the windows and doors. To wash. Red barge. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble ship carrier. First, we have to fill it. Ship carrier. Pump. We did it! Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Keep it up. Let's build the pier. Assemble yellow barge. Let's load the materials into yellow barge. Don't stop. Let's add some plants.